chickens. Yeah, Sweet Pea already laying where she ain't supposed to be. Okay, babies, okay. I'm earlier than usual. Why are y'all fussing at me? Go back. Go back, go back. Hey, Tiger Lily. Okay, ain't nobody bothering y'all. Stop all that fluttering. Look at them. I tell you. So let me see if I got any. Hey, Hollyhock. See if I got any eggs this morning already. Aha! I got one. And it's warm too. So this is my problem, y'all. That right there. I don't want her laying in here. I don't want none of them laying in here because it's nasty in here. And I have to wash the eggs. So I'm gonna pick her up and see if I can't relocate her. So I had to close the hen house. So I had to close it because I'm trying to train them to lay in their nesting box. So that's why they're cussing me out. So Sweet Pea, you are not gonna sit there and lay in that nasty poo-poo. Look at this one here, cussing me out. Well, I need you to go lay in the nesting boxes and stop talking junk to me. Yes. Go over there and get in one of them boxes I paid $150,000 for. Mama. So guys, I'm on my way to work and I will video when I get home so you can see just kind of how my afternoon goes. chicken babies. Hello. Y'all mad at me because I closed the door of the hen house? Well, I don't rightly care. And that's the truth. Y'all want some grass? Y'all want some grass? Oh, I got to get that fly rescue out here because these flies are doing too much. Okay, don't be scared. Y'all know I'm not here to harm you. Let me put this little stuff out here so y'all can get to it.